This is an unboxing of Marvel Legends series Deadpool and Wolverine. This is X-23 action figure from Deadpool and Wolverine the movie. Here's the front. Here's Juggernaut's head, her glasses, an extra head, and backpack, and extra hands. Here's the side, Marvel Legends series. Here's the other side, X-23, Marvel Legends series. Here's the back. The other, this is the whole thing for X-23 in English on top and other languages in the bottom. Soon I'll do Wolverine in brown when he fought the Hulk, and Wolverine in battle damage. They have the last two in the figures of this series, Wave 2 of Deadpool and Wolverine I'm doing. And let's unbox it. Here's the action figure. Here's her claws. Here's her backpack. She comes with two hands you can have her hold stuff with. She comes with an extra head with her hair waving in the wind. It comes with her glasses you first wore in Logan. Now she wears in Deadpool and Wolverine. And here's Juggernaut's helmet. If you watch the movie, you know why she comes with Juggernaut's helmet. She went after it in the movie. Here's her foot. She comes with two claws coming out of her foot. Well, that's the unboxing of X-23 from Deadpool and Wolverine Marvel Legends series. Thank you for watching the video.